Knock, knock. Who's that? Don't worry, it's not me. It is the call of nature. Yes, the title of my new poem that I have composed on the occasion of Earth's Day. I know you all must be aware that today we are celebrating the Earth's Day. Today we need to take an oath to preserve our nature, to preserve our earth by just following up the little ways that we can do in our daily life. And in this poem, the earth itself is pleading to us to get protection, to get preserved, and it is narrating the story of the current scenario that is going on, that is harming the earth and ultimately ourselves. So it is knocking at the door of us, the human, and here it goes. Knock, knock. Who's that? I am you. What? The human says. I am you. Yes, I and you both are same. The earth says this. I and you both are same, bearing the same fate. What's in a name? The Shakespeare said. What's in a name? The human wonder at this. I didn't get you. Please elaborate. How are we one, bearing the same fate? I am nature, the earth replies. I am nature. You are from me, it's true. You will also not deny that I am also from you. You love me, human. The earth says, I know that you love me. I love you too. But the irony is, benefiters are more, but the caretakers few. Yes, this is the irony, that benefiters are more, but the caretakers are few. My nerves are paining. The earth is crying. My nerves are paining. My soul is wailing. Oh, strippers of your own world. Yes, the strippers of your own world, your own planet is wailing. See what you have done. The earth pleads. See what you have done to the inheritance you wanted. Of course, anything acquired free, always taken for granted. It is our human tendency. It is our human nature. That is whatever we acquire free, we take it for granted. You are the masters of destruction and depletion. A thankless, selfish creature, nothing more remain to mention. I bear the fruits of blessing pleasurable. The earth bears the fruits of blessings pleasurable now and then. But you are in too hurry. We human are in too hurry to cut the golden egg hen. You all must have heard the story of the golden egg hen. Yes, so we all are in too hurry to cut that golden egg hen. I used to be proud on my eternal perennial soul. The earth said this. I used to be proud on my eternal perennial soul, rejuvenating and refreshing. My dear, now all is pall. Now all is disappointment. Now all is pall. Take a pause. Now here the earth makes an appeal. Take a pause and think what you are going to gift. What you are going to gift your next generation. Yes, the earth is appealing. Take a pause and think what you are going to gift. Scorched planets of deserts, catastrophic depletion swift. It is an urge. It is a request. It is an urge from the nature to all of us. It is an urge to rebuild what history left for future, to recover what is lost and welcome your successors with treasure of nature. Be a saver, not the destroyer. Be a saver, not the destroyer. It is a bailment that you got. Yes, we have inherited the nature and we ought to gift it to our future generation. It is our bailment. It is not something that we have produced. We are not the masters. We have to think about it. Yes, it is just a bailment that we got. Change your view, hostile to holistic. Yes, not be an enemy, just be a friend. So the earth pleads here, be a saver, not the destroyer. It's a bailment that you got. Change your view, hostile to holistic. Retrieve the humanity you forgot. Yes, it is a very rare birth of being human that we have got from nature. And what are we doing? We are in return destroying that nature. Now, what should we do? In the last stanza of this poem, the action that we all must follow is here. we apologize for what you have to bear. Yes, we should say sorry to the earth, to the nature, first of all. Then we should correct our action. I apologize for what you have to bear. I promise to spread the message, save the lives and the pleasure and the planet that we share. So this is the message. This in the last stanza of this poem, I wanted to spread the message to save the earth, to save the planet. So we don't just need to take the part in the competitions or poster making and all. We just have to make a plea, and we just need to resolve our ways, okay, in our daily lives, by the little things that we can do to save the nature. This is the message, and let's take a plea to save the earth, to save our planet. Goodbye and thanks for watching.